Hey guys, today I want to show you this little box, and this is a CarPlay and Android Auto and screen mirroring interface that you can put into a car that does not support those features from the factory. So over here we have Audi A6 C7, and this has a MMI 3G Plus, and this is 2013, so the CarPlay feature was not available in this car from the factory, because this feature was introduced somewhere in 2015 or 2016. Since this is a car with an MMI 3G Plus system, not in the MIP2 technology, I can show you exactly what I mean. Let's go to the information, and you can see that this is the high version, Navigation Plus, Europe, Audi, and so on. And we can get on the screen over here CarPlay interface. Not only you can have CarPlay, but it's a wireless CarPlay. So this is the phone connected to the car, and as you can see, there's no wires. So you can have it in your pocket or in a wireless charger or wherever you want it. Since there's no touchscreen in Audis, you have to control it with the control knob over here, which is not that hard. Of course, you can use Google Maps or Apple Maps and number of other applications that you can install on your phone. Of course, the application needs to support CarPlay function, so you will not have YouTube over here unless you jailbreak your iPhone, and I will not go into details about that because that's not the point of this video. I want to show you that this device is available. The installation is pretty let's not say it's easy. It takes some time. You have to fiddle around with a lot of wires over here, not because it's complicated, but because there's really tight space behind those units. I will not show you how to do it. This is not a tutorial. I've already made the installation a few months ago, and it was too hard to perform the installation and film it at the same time. So I'm just showing you the effects. You can have it over here, and this device will give you, as I said, access to CarPlay and Android Auto. But not only, you can go back from the interface, you can go to Audi MMI, and this is an additional interface that you have over here. You can play videos from USBs, you can play music, of course. You have a mirroring, so if I connect to the car not with the CarPlay interface, but rather to the Wi-Fi network that is available from this device, I can have a full screen mirroring on the Audi MMI display. So maybe I will show you that. I will just need to change a few things in the configuration. And I have the mirroring option over here. So you can see it's very responsive. I got street view over here. Of course, still I need to control it from this device. There's no control over here, but it's very useful if you want to, for example, play a video, which I not recommend to do while driving. But for example, maybe you are in a drive-through and you are eating your meal in your car. You want to check something out on YouTube. So you can see it works on both displays. And to remove this frame, I believe I need to pinch out. Oh, and now I have a full view like this. Netflix is not working. It's working on the phone, but you will not see it on the display, since there are some protection mechanisms over here that will not allow you to share the video stream to external devices. So you will not be able to watch Netflix over here. Sorry. Okay, so if you were wondering why I have this whole thing disassembled over here, since it has been in this car for a few months right now, well, there was a user error, let's call it. because there's a lot of settings over here. If it comes to the camera system, and this car is equipped with 360 view, and we were messing around with those settings, and at some point we switched it in such a way that the interface was not visible, and we had to reset the device manually, and there's no reset button on over here, so we had to unplug it and fiddle around with ignition a few times to get the interface back on the screen. And right now, if I put it into reverse, you can see that it switches to the rear view camera. I have this 360 view over here, and if I put it to drive, I have the front view over here, and if I'm back in park, I got back the device interface. Okay, so if you want to check this device, there's a link in the description below this video. As I said, I will not show you how to install it, but there's a lot of wiring that you need to fit behind the head unit and behind the climatronic. It's fairly easy. You just need a 10 millimeter socket and some prying tools, and that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon.